Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use CJ dropshipping with eBay. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be talking about on how we will be able to use CJ dropshipping with eBay. Now as you know, both of this platform is an e-commerce platform. So these are platforms where you can sell different things and you could buy different things. And the case for CJ dropshipping is already in the name. It is basically dropshipping. So it's a platform where you could connect with it and you will be able to have some dropshipping interaction with it. So we will be showing you how you will be able to do that on your eBay as well. So everything actually works and revolves around CJ dropshipping. So majority of what we will be doing in today's video will be interacting with CJ dropshipping. So let's focus on our CJ right now. So the first thing you're going to have to do in your CJ dropshipping is of course create an account and verify it fully. That is like the most basic requirement because we will be using the back-end version of CJ dropshipping and you need some email verification or an actual account to be able to do this. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to click on this button over here, this pulsating button that mentions My CJ. So if you click this, we will be redirected to another page where we will be able to see basically the back end or the backstage of CJ dropshipping. This is where we will be able to see multiple features, as you can see here in our center and in our left. You will be able to see different statistics, different data and information that you will be able to see, like your activated stores, shipping method statistics. All of this types of information will be present in this My CJ part. Now, what we're looking at or what we're looking for is the store authorization over here on the left side. It's usually on the bottom, so if it's not appearing here for you, you simply look for the store authorization and simply click on this and we will be able to see all the different platforms that we are able to connect to. As you can see, we have the option to connect eBay and we would like to connect both of them because we would like the process to be also some sort of a drop shipping, wherein when someone orders something on eBay, we will be able to automatically send them the item through My CJ dropshipping. And let's select our eBay over here and let's see the process of connecting both eBay and CJ dropshipping. As you can see here right now, we haven't authorized any store yet, meaning we haven't connected any store with our CJ dropshipping. So we have the three options. We have the option to create our store right now. We have the option to transfer record, which we won't be able to do because we haven't connected it before. This is a brand new connection. And the option to add a store. Now our store is already existing in eBay. I already created my account and I already have my store, which is this one over here. So what we're going to select is add store over here. And let me zoom out over here. It will now redirect us or show us the process on how we will be able to connect it. So basically it's very straightforward. We were redirected to eBay and we're simply going to click on continue with Google. And it will note this or it will detect whether you're already logged into your eBay. That's why it's showing you this option over here. If you don't have an account, it will ask you to register and create an account. So let's simply click on continue with Google and let's proceed to the next process. Now, as you can see, it's currently loading. Let's see the next step after we were able to select our account. And I think there we go. It is as simple as that. We were able to connect both CJ dropshipping and eBay just like that. Let me X this pop-up over here. We have this message, authorization success. CJ will help you make dropshipping business much easier. And that's basically it. That is how we will be able to connect eBay and CJ dropshipping together. Now, what's the next step? How will we be able to use CJ dropshipping? So let's go back to My CJ over here and let's open our eBay once again in the store authorization. So let's fix our screen right now, move this pop-up to the right side, move this as well, and scroll down, click on store authorization, and simply click on eBay. Where's the eBay? There we go. Simply open this, and as you can notice, our store will now appear in our store list over here. We have our store name over here, Just Plus 45. It's a bit different here. But it's basically the same one. And we have your non-public store name. We could edit this out. So let's say eBay, something like that. You have your authorization or like your token verification result, your store status, which is right now activated. You could also deactivate and reactivate or reauthorize it if you want. You have your upload date, when it was uploaded and connected with our CG Dropshipping. And you have your actions over here. You can view your store logistics and transfer store. You can also delete this if you want, of course. As you can see, there are many things that you could do, especially in the action button, wherein you can check out the store logistics and you can even transfer the store. Now, under the store logistics, there isn't really many things that you can do here aside from adding a shipping method. As you can see, you can click on add shipping method, and you have your store name, you have your shipping method over here. You have all of this option that you could choose from. And for example, let's go with Aspus and select the country. You have all state, you have your priority over here, and you can simply click on save. And now we have our shipping method created over here, store shipping method. There's a lot of different things that you could do here, like I explained earlier. You could create some listings and different things. And as you can see here also, you will be able to put things differently. Like over here on the top, you could add different listings on your CG Dropshipping, where you will be able to sell it on eBay, of course, as well. And you will be able to have an interaction between eBay and do something sort of like a drop shipping, wherein the different items that you see in this CJ dropshipping, for example, this one, you can add this like to the list, something like that, and then you will be able to sell it on eBay. And once someone sells or buys a specific item from CG dropshipping, you will be able to, of course, have some sales going on with CG dropshipping and eBay together. And as you can see here, this is how you will be able to list it. You can enter the store, and as you can see, we have eBay as our option over here. You can simply select that, and you can now simply click on list now, and you will be able to list this specific product on eBay. Simply look for a specific item. For example, this one, new LED touch. Simply click on list, and you will be redirected to another page. And as you can see, simply click on the store, click on eBay, and complete the other details that you are seeing right now, like the price, everything that you are seeing, everything that is required. And simply click on list now, and you will be able to list it to eBay. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.